Hello and a very warm welcome to Edinburgh. I'm David, an Edinburgh tour guide and photographer who's lived in Edinburgh for over 50 years. Calton Hill has a long and fascinating history. As well as some beautiful buildings and elegant memorials, it offers some of the best views of Edinburgh, all the way over the Firth of Forth to the Kingdom of Fife. On this exciting tour, I'll show you all of Calton Hill's amazing monuments and buildings, including the impressive National Monument, the Nelson Monument and the old observatories. We'll also visit two of Edinburgh's most interesting and atmospheric burial grounds and admire some of the finest Georgian architecture and houses in the city. Along the way, I'll share the hill's history, some fascinating people and stories, and help you get some of the best photos in the city with lots of photography tips. This is an exclusive private tour for just you and your family or party and lasts 3 hours. It includes up to 6 people and is a fixed price, making it really great value for money. You can book at the bottom of this page or on my website, which I'll put a link to here. Here's some footage of some of the places we'll see on the tour of Calton Hill, and I really hope to be able to welcome you to Edinburgh very soon. Thank you for watching.